The sharing features in CCAP are vital tools for supporting one another in a dynamic planning process. You have the ability to share your unit plans, assessments, and resources with any teacher in Jeffco. There are two ways to share unit plans. The first way to share is to collaborate with another CCAP user. This option gives multiple individuals the ability to customize a single unit plan. The copy can be accessed by all recipients. However, the original collaborator owns it and is the only one who can add or remove collaborators. The second way is by sending a copy, which gives the receivers a snapshot of your work on a unit, including lessons, assessments, and resources. This copy is now owned by the receivers, and they can adapt it to meet their own needs. As the sender, you cannot see or access a copy you have sent. Your work is only shared with people you choose. Nothing you do in CCAP is visible by others unless you have chosen to send copies or collaborate with them. We will now walk through the process of collaborating and sending a copy. Start by accessing a customized unit plan. The Share button is located within the Edit My Unit Plan window. In order to select recipients to collaborate with, make sure you are on the Collaborate tab and type their names or email addresses into the name field provided. After you type a few letters, multiple names might appear. Select a particular individual by scrolling down over his or her name and clicking on it. You can select as many people as you like. After you have selected the recipients, they will appear in a list on the same window. The email user's checkbox will automatically be checked. If you uncheck this box, the recipients will not receive notification that you have shared a unit plan with them. If teachers choose to send notification, your default email system will open. The message that appears can be personalized. Click on the Save Collaborators button when you are finished. You can see the names of the people with whom you are collaborating highlighted here in orange. To delete a collaborator, click on the Delete icon. Only the original owner can add or remove collaborators. Another way to share with the CCAP users is to send a copy. In order to select recipients to send a copy, click on the Share button and make sure you are on the Send a Copy tab and type their names or email addresses into the name field. The rest of the process for sending a copy is the same as collaborating. After you send a copy, the receiver can open the unit plan and make changes. It truly becomes their unit plan to use. When you send a unit plan, the receiver also gets all lesson plans, assessments, and resources. In order to determine what unit plans have been shared, teachers can look in the My Items section. The clipboard icon indicates that this unit plan is a copy, and therefore is mine to do with what I want. The two-person icon indicates that I am working with one or more CCAP users on one collaborative plan. If there is no icon in the sharing column, then I have not shared this unit plan with anyone. This also shows who last updated the plan and when. This page also has filtering capabilities. I can sort by grade, content, date, and more. Just as you can send a copy of the unit plan, you can also share copies of individual assessments and resources. To do this, go to My Items on the menu bar and select My Assessments or My Resources. From the My Resources or My Assessments window, click on the Edit icon to open the window that will allow you to edit the assessment or resource. Click on the Share button to open the Share window. The Share window allows you to send a copy of the assessment or resource. However, you cannot collaborate on a single assessment or resource. The rest of the process is exactly the same as sending a copy of a unit plan.